Welcome. If you want to connect fake AirPods to your iPhone, at the first you have to go for the settings, then move to the Bluetooth, and we have to click on this Bluetooth icon. Right now we have to open charging case of the fake AirPods. When they are going to pop on the list, we have to simply tap on them to connect. And if it is not going to happen, we are going to use this back button. But as you can see, here they are, so we can simply connect by tapping on them. So click. And as you can see, right now they are connected. So when we put one of the earbuds to the ear, we can hear this characteristical sound, and it means that they are connected. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!